Vincent here with 271 Performance. Today we are out at the track with our 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport R&D, doing a little testing and checking out some product. One of our big components here is everything that we sell is proven, tested, and track ready. So we're out here, we've got an intake, exhaust, a couple other parts can't really tell you just yet. Getting a lot of data. It's a beautiful Saturday morning at Ridge Motorsport Park. A little bit chilly, but stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on what we find out. I want to take a quick minute to tell you a little bit about our car. This guy today is a 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. Relatively stock for the most part. It is running our up pipe back exhaust. We're also testing a cold air intake system, a few other parts as well that I can't quite mention. The suspension setup is all OEM right now. Stock pads, brakes, rotors. The only thing we're doing right now is some sticky rubber. We've got NT01s. These are a 245/45/17. Which are helping out a lot. Quick early on, we've got a couple sessions right off the back. These brakes can't take it, cannot take it. We've gassed them out pretty fast. We've got some RBF 600 in there. But other than that, stock pads, stock rotors, stock calipers, just seeing what we can do. We're gonna get a lot of data, bench test some stuff, get all the information, share it with you guys, and we'll keep you in the loop. Stay tuned.